If you are a network administrator and you're not using network configuration management, then you are not getting the most from your network management tool. Network configuration management complements network performance monitoring because monitoring helps you spot problems, and the configuration management helps you fix them. It complements IT operations management and can help increase efficiency, reduce downtime, and improve security compliance. Because networks are growing in size and complexity, making configuration changes using scripts or manual command line just isn't scalable anymore. Network configuration management should be an essential component of your IT management strategy. Network security and compliance is a never-ending job, and trying to manage everything without automation is nearly impossible. That is why one of the best tools you can have is Motadata network monitoring software for configuration management. Most customers purchase NCM to manage backups, but there are many more features to help you automate the configuration management tasks. Network configuration management can help you deploy policy-compliant configurations, alert you on out-of-process changes, monitor devices for configuration changes, backup and restore device configurations, manage configuration changes. It works in a multi-vendor environment, and it can work with almost all the devices on your network. Recovering from a bad configuration change can be accomplished simply by restoring previous configuration. Preparing for an audit doesn't have to be a time-consuming chore. NCM automatically analyzes your configurations and alerts you when a violation is detected. It helps you correct the violation to bring you back in compliance. Simplify your network compliance and save time managing network configurations with Motadata Network Configuration Management module. To learn more about NCM, log on to www.motadata.com.